In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new class in Google Classroom in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned educator looking for a quick refresher or diving into online teaching for the first time, this guide is designed to walk you through each step in an easy, approachable manner. So, grab your digital notepads and let's get started on this virtual classroom journey. First things first, head over to google.com. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's where our journey begins. Once there, you'll notice a sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to move forward. This is your gateway to all things Google, and of course to setting up your classroom. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you'd like to use. If you're like many of us, you might have a few Google accounts for different purposes. One for personal use and another for professional. Make sure you select the account that you intend to use for your teaching activities. This ensures that your classroom setups and communications remain organized and separate from your personal emails and Google Docs. Next up, it's time to enter your password. Take your time to type it in correctly, and remember, if you've forgotten it, there's always a way to reset it. Once you've successfully entered your password, click on Next to proceed. Now you're officially inside your Google account, and it's time to access Google Classroom. Look for the Google Apps menu, which you can find at the top right corner of the page, represented by a grid of dots. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various Google apps. Here, find and click on Google Classroom. It's usually represented by an icon of a chalkboard with a person on it. After clicking on Google Classroom, you'll be taken to the home page of Google Classroom. Here you might already see some classes you're part of or have created in the past. To start building a new class, look for the plus icon, usually located at the bottom right or top right of the page, depending on your view. Click on this icon to reveal more options. In the options that appear, select Create Class. A prompt might appear asking you to review and agree to the Google Classroom terms and conditions if you're setting up a class for the first time, or it's a new academic year. Take a moment to read through and check the box to agree, then click Continue. It's essential to abide by these terms to create a positive and respectful learning environment. Now you're at the heart of the class creation process. You'll see a form asking you to fill in the details about your new class. This includes the class name, section, subject, and room. Each of these fields helps you organize your classes on Google Classroom and makes it easier for your students to identify the correct class to join. Fill out these details with as much precision as you can. If you're teaching multiple sections of the same subject, for instance, make sure to differentiate them clearly here. After you've filled in all the necessary details, the final step is to click Create. With that, you've officially set up your new class in Google Classroom. It might take a moment, but soon you'll be taken to your new classes page, where you can start adding assignments, posting announcements, and inviting students to join. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the steps to create a class in Google Classroom, but remember, creating the class is just the beginning. Take some time to explore all the features Google Classroom offers to facilitate learning, from creating assignments to providing real-time feedback. Google Classroom is a powerful tool that can transform the way you interact with your students, making learning more engaging, organized, and accessible. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial on how to make a Google Classroom class in 5 minutes. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you navigate the digital education landscape effortlessly. Happy teaching,